Have you ever wondered how vital your colon's health is to your overall well-being? The colon, or large intestine, plays a crucial role in our bodies. It's the final stop in the digestive process, absorbing water and electrolytes from the food we eat and consolidating waste before it's eliminated. A healthy colon equals a healthy body, and it's our first line of defense against harmful toxins and bacteria. However, a myriad of health issues can arise when our colon health is compromised. From uncomfortable conditions like constipation and irritable bowel syndrome to more serious diseases like colorectal cancer, the implications of an unhealthy colon can be severe. But fret not, there are natural solutions that can support colon health. And one of these solutions is surprisingly commonplace: a vibrant golden spice that may just be the key to optimal colon health. Did you know that there's a golden spice that might be the key to optimal colon health? Meet turmeric, a vibrant golden spice, and its potent compound, curcumin. Turmeric hails from the ginger family with roots in traditional medicine, notably in South Asia, where it's been revered for centuries. It's not just a culinary staple but a medicinal powerhouse thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Now let's take a closer look at curcumin. It's the superhero of this story, lending turmeric its brilliant color and its well-documented health benefits. Both turmeric and curcumin are acclaimed for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation and oxidation are natural body processes, but when they go awry, they can lead to various health issues. Here's where turmeric and curcumin step in like knights in shining armor. They combat excess inflammation and oxidation, helping to restore balance in our bodies. These beneficial properties of turmeric and curcumin play a significant role in promoting colon health, but the magic doesn't stop there. As we'll see in the next scene, they offer a wealth of other health benefits too. So how exactly does turmeric and curcumin benefit your colon? Well, it all boils down to the potent compound hidden within turmeric's golden hues: curcumin. This miraculous compound wears many hats, but its roles as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant are particularly noteworthy in the context of colon health. Let's delve into the anti-inflammatory aspect first. The colon, much like any other part of our body, is susceptible to inflammation. This inflammation can lead to discomfort, irritation, and even more serious digestive disorders. Here, curcumin steps in as a natural inflammation combatant, working its magic to reduce the inflammatory response in the gut. Its ability to suppress inflammation and fight free radicals not only alleviates symptoms of digestive disorders, but also aids in healing and repairing the colon. Now, onto its antioxidant role. You might have heard of oxidative stress. It's essentially an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. This imbalance can lead to cellular damage, and in the context of the colon, it can impair its function and health. Curcumin, being a potent antioxidant, helps to tip this balance back to normal. It neutralizes harmful free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and promoting the health and functionality of the colon. So, through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, curcumin provides a two-pronged approach to supporting colon health. But it doesn't stop there. It also enhances the body's own antioxidant enzymes, boosting your natural defenses and further supporting the health of your colon. In essence, the curcumin in turmeric works tirelessly to maintain a healthy environment in your colon, tackling inflammation, combating oxidative stress, and supporting the body's own antioxidant defenses. It is like a dedicated caretaker for your colon, constantly working to ensure its well-being and functionality, and by extension, contributing to your overall health. But that's not all. Curcumin also has a positive impact on the gut microbiota. But we'll get to that in a bit. For now, let's pause and appreciate the remarkable healing properties of this golden spice. Let's delve deeper into the relationship between curcumin and gut microbiota. This powerful compound derived from turmeric has a significant impact on our gut health, acting as a regulator of the complex ecosystem within our digestive tract. Curcumin's role extends to fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria, crucial players in maintaining our overall health. They aid in digestion, produce vital vitamins, and even influence our immune system. On the flip side, curcumin also helps to keep potentially harmful pathogens in check, preventing them from multiplying and causing damage to our gut. This modulation of gut microbiota by curcumin contributes to overall gastrointestinal wellness. It helps alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders, enhances the absorption of nutrients, and promotes a healthy immune response. These benefits are not just confined to our gut, but ripple out to impact our overall well-being. So, incorporating turmeric and curcumin into your daily routine can do wonders for your colon. Now you might be wondering, how can I add turmeric and curcumin to my daily routine? First off, let's start with food. Turmeric is a versatile spice that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Sprinkle some into your morning eggs, add it to your stir-fried vegetables, or blend it into your smoothies. The options are endless. If you're a tea enthusiast, why not brew a cup of turmeric tea? Simply steep grated turmeric root in hot water and enjoy. It's a soothing and beneficial addition to your day. Alternatively, if you're after a more concentrated dose, curcumin supplements may be the way to go. They're easy to take and can provide you with a significant amount of this potent compound. Just ensure to choose a high-quality supplement that includes piperine for increased absorption. Remember, nurturing your colon with turmeric and curcumin can significantly enhance your overall well-being. In conclusion, the golden spice, turmeric, and its potent compound, curcumin, are much more than just kitchen essentials. They are nature's gift to us, offering a multitude of benefits for our colon health. With their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, they can help repair and heal our colon, reducing symptoms of digestive disorders and promoting overall gastrointestinal wellness. Moreover, curcumin's ability to balance our gut microbiota is truly remarkable. It supports the growth of beneficial bacteria, while keeping the harmful ones at bay. But remember, while turmeric and curcumin are powerful, they are not a standalone solution. They are most effective when incorporated into a balanced diet and lifestyle. Exploring the natural healing properties of turmeric and curcumin can be a delightful journey to enhancing your overall well-being. So, whether you choose to sprinkle it in your cooking, brew it into a tea, or take it as a supplement, every little bit can make a difference. So, why not add a little golden touch to your meals and nurture your colon health?